Hello, we're on a week-long working holiday cruise called Rock the Boat. Brett is working and I'm relaxing, which is so lovely. The cruise travels to Noumea in New Caledonia and the Isle of Pines, where we've docked today. We're hoping the sun's going to come out soon so we can show you a bit of this beautiful island. We've made it. The weather's eased up. We're going to have a look around this beautiful island, look at this canopy above me, and let's go and take a look at the beautiful, beautiful beach. There are two extremes on this island. We've got the beautiful bright blue water over here and then this gorgeous dark canopy of trees above us. It's kind of eerie, but really pretty. The islanders are fairly keen to make sure that the tourists behave themselves as well. It's been great to get our feet on steady ground for a minute and to absorb the lush landscape of this pretty Isle of Pines. That's it for now though, it's time to move on to the next stop.